Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Just a quick video to say thank you for all your support over these years. I can't even remember how many years we've been doing this, but we're about 6 million views to date, 53,000 subscribers. Our goal when we started was 10 million views, 100K subscribers in the year 2025. So I think we're right on pace for everything that we set our minds to do, and we're achieving those results, all because of you, all because of your help. I try to take the complicated and make it simple so it's easy to understand. Sometimes I succeed, sometimes I don't, but we always keep trying and try to rehash new topics all the time. And most of the videos that come about in most of our series are the results of questions that you send to me through email or that we get with our phone calls. So hopefully we can continue the process and keep growing as we are, but couldn't do it without your help. So thank you so much for everything. Bye-bye.